everyone, this is Lisa, and my crafty friend Jordan sent me the most amazing Halloween Happy Mail. And I mean, she already did that before, and then she did it again, and then she did it again. um, so here's just an envelope with a letter from her. Put that there. And then the next thing is this, and this is so cute. It's it struggling with this one-handed. This is just a notepad holder with a notepad. It's super cute. And then here is a wand that she made. And then there are these stamps that she included, and they're super cute. I really like it. I was gonna say I really like this and I really like that, but you know what? I just like it as a whole. And then she blew my mind with what was in here. And it is this gorgeous binder mail with this huge tassel that she made, and it's so cute. And on the side of this, she sewed down the words spooky with this trim. And oh my god. So I already opened everything and I already freaked out over everything, but I'm just gonna freak out over everything again. Look at how gorgeous this looks. Like, oh my goodness. I feel so spoiled. And I've said that in the last few videos, but really, like, Jordan, you are such a talented lady. I can't even. This is a unicorn face mask, so cute. And here are some stickers. And this is genius. I love how Jordan did this. She posted in one of the Facebook groups her October daily, and she did that with hers, and I was like, oh my god, what a freaking genius. Like, here's some real estate. Like, why not use that space? Duh. And then here are handmade embellishments with bows, tickets. Oh my god, everything's so cute. And tags and doilies. And I told her I'm such a sucker for holographic things, and she just keeps on giving them to me. Holo is kind of like a drug. Like, you just can't stop. But it's a good drug because it's not harming anybody. And then there's these frames and more doilies, and oh my goodness. And then there's these clips and more stickers, and it just keeps coming. There's so much stuff. Then she included this bag that says treat on it, and I am going to struggle one-handed. So we take out all the worms. There is a bath bomb inside, and we're gonna put that back so I don't get worms everywhere. And next we have this really cute ghost with oh so scary, and inside that is this cute alien cowboy pin. I like him, he's really cute. And next we have this, and I was not expecting this when I opened it the first time. If I can get it out. I freaked out, guys. Like, I freaked out. Like, it's a laminated traveler's notebook, and I was like, it's so small, it's so cute. And You guys know I love traveler's notebooks in all sizes and all materials, so this is beautiful. And these are mini composition notebooks. She included a tiny, tiny dashboard and a folder and another notebook. And here's another pocket. Oh my god, I'm like running out of space on camera. And then here we have, you know what, I forgot what's in this one. Oh, it's unicorn hot chocolate. So if you pour this out, it turns into hot chocolate, but with rainbows. So cute. Okay, so I'm gonna move all these real quick because there's more. There's more, you guys. There's more. Okay, so now we have this one that says goodies, and I really like this. This is cute. I'm also a sucker for like all things moons and stars. And you know, this may be a two-handed operation. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. And in here we have keychains from the Nightmare Before Christmas characters and this really cute like this Hello Kitty witch keychain. I forgot the name of this one. It's either Shock Lock or something similar. And then we have the mayor, and I love him. He's so funny. I like his sad, scary side better. And then, oh my goodness, I absolutely, so I was already flipping out over everything. And then I opened the last thing and I wanted to cry, you guys. Like, it's so, I can't, like, Jordan just spoils me. She really does. And I'm so grateful, and I really hope that she loves everything that I like make and give to her too, because I feel so grateful. So dun dun dun. I Yeah, no words. Just wow. This is amazing. Like I can't even, like, this is so cute. These are like the little jars from The Nightmare Before Christmas that Sally goes through and poisons her dad. Um so yeah, this is everything. Yeah. So much goodness, so much that I can play with and add to my October daily. Thank you so much, Jordan. You are the best. You are amazing. You are so talented and you are so spooky. Thank you again. Bye.